Rush Hour by Think Fun is one of the world's most successful logic puzzles. It's an addictively fun solo game, perfect for kids 8 and over, and adults love Rush Hour just as much as kids. Here's how you play. Begin by picking a challenge card and setting up the traffic grid to match the card. The goal is simple: battle gridlock to get the red car out of the traffic jam. All of the cars need to move in straight lines and stay on the grid. As you get better, the traffic gets worse, and the challenges get harder, providing hours of bumper-to-bumper fun. Here's what you get. The Rush Hour traffic grid with built-in storage. 40 challenge cards from beginner to expert, solutions included. Instructions. 15 blocking cars and trucks, 1 red escape car, and a handy Game Go bag great for taking on the go. If you can't get enough of Rush Hour, check out the app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Available on the Apple App Store, Amazon, and Android Marketplace. If you like Rush Hour, check out these other Think Fun games, Tilt, and Solitaire Chess. We bet you'll like these too. Rush Hour is brought to you by Think Fun, the world's leader in addictively fun games that sharpen your mind.